Hello! This training video is for Gale's Magazine and Journal Digital Resources. After completing this module, you will be able to demonstrate basic features and functions of General OneFile, Academic OneFile, InfoTrac Newsstand, and Informe Academico. These resources are part of the TexQuest statewide program. These resources can be accessed via TexQuest website through the Gale Cengage Learning logo, but it's best to set up access from your school and district websites. Direct links to each resource with the username embedded are available at the Gale TexQuest support page at texquest.net/provider support. First, let's go over the magazine and journal resources that are available to you. General OneFile is Gale's largest general interest database with more than 8,000 magazines and journals, many of which are recommended by Bowker's Magazines for Libraries. We've included the reference, newspaper, and multimedia content that complements the resource's robust collection of magazines and journals. With millions of articles available, General OneFile serves a wide audience of readers and is best used in schools starting with middle schoolers. The premier source for peer-reviewed full-text articles from the world's leading journals, Academic OneFile covers the physical and social sciences, technology, medicine, engineering, the arts, technology, literature, and many other subjects. With millions of articles, researchers are able to find accurate, timely information quickly. Academic OneFile is most appropriate for juniors, seniors, and those taking AP courses. It's also a great professional development resource for librarians, teachers, and administrators. InfoTrac Newsstand provides more than 2,300 major U.S. regional, national, and local newspapers, as well as leading titles from around the world. It also includes thousands of images, radio, and TV broadcasts and transcripts. This innovative full-text newspaper resource allows users to search articles instantly by title, headline, date, author, newspaper section, and other fields. Informe Academico meets the research needs of Spanish-speaking users with a wide range of full-text Spanish and Portuguese language scholarly journals and magazines from both and about Latin America. Informe Academico provides quality reference material, not simply translations of English language materials, on a powerful, easy-to-use interface configured for Spanish-speaking users, allowing researchers to analyze topics and conduct research in Spanish. These resources all share the same interface called InfoTrac. Once you know how to use one, it's easy to use the others. Now, one of our trainers will demonstrate the features found in these InfoTrac resources.
You can use the search box to perform basic searches by keyword, subject, publication, or search the entire document for a word or phrase. Simply enter a search term, and then select the type of search you want to perform. On your results page, you'll find links to documents, as well as multimedia, that meet your search criteria. Your results are arranged by content type. You can sort your results by relevance, that is, how often your search term appears in a document, or from newest to oldest, or from oldest to newest. You can limit your results to a specific content type. Notice that the number of results for each is displayed. Or you can filter your results to full text or peer-reviewed journals, or to documents that contain images. You can further limit your search results by publication date, subject, document type, or publication title, that is the periodical from which the document came. You can use Topic Finder to analyze your results, to identify new topics or keywords, or to discover new connections between the topics. From your results page, you can also create a search alert so that you'll receive email alerts when new documents are found that match your search. For each document, you're provided with the document name and source, that is the periodical from which the document comes, as well as other details. Click the Listen button to hear the document read aloud. Notice that your search term is highlighted in the text. If your library also subscribes to GVRL, depending on the contents of your library's GVRL collection, you may also find links within the body of your document to related articles in GVRL ebooks. When viewing a document, a variety of tools may be available, including citation tools, email and download options, tools for highlighting, note-taking, and saving, as well as a translation feature. Click the Citation Tools icon to generate a citation in MLA or APA format, or to export the citation for use in a third-party citation tool. Click the email icon to send a copy of the document to yourself or someone else. You can select the email format, the content, and citation format you want to include in the email. Click the download icon to download a PDF or HTML version of the document. To highlight a passage or make your own annotation, first use your mouse to highlight a block of text. Next, select Highlight from the pop-up menu and select a color for the highlighted text, or select Notes to enter an annotation. Later, when you want to view, email, download, or print your highlights and notes, select More from the product banner, and then select Highlights and Notes. Click the Save icon to save the article in your My folder and return to it later. To view your saved document, select More from the resource banner and then select My folder. Click the Download MP3 icon to save an MP3 audio file of the document. Click the Share icon to share the document on social media. Or click Translate and then select a language from the pull-down menu to translate the article into another language. From here, you can search within your current publication, and you can limit your search to only the current issue of the publication. Click Related Subjects to view a list of topics also covered in the current document. Select a topic to view results for that topic. From the resource banner, you can access the Advanced Search feature to perform more complex searches, or use the Bookmark feature to copy and paste or email a bookmark for the page. Select More from the resource banner for additional tools, including access to the Merriam-Webster's Collegiate Dictionary, a list of all ebook titles in your library or school's collection, your search history, your highlights and notes, or your My folder. Enter your search term and then select the field or index that you want to search. Use the operators AND, or NOT if you want to search multiple fields. You can add as many rows as you need by clicking the plus sign. Notice that you can limit your search to full-text documents, to peer-reviewed journals, or to documents that contain images. You can also search by publication date, by document type, by publication title, that is the periodical from which the document came, or by publication subject. From Advanced Search, you can also access the Subject Guide Search or Publication Search. The Subject Guide Search returns a list of subject terms based on your search term. This search may provide you with subject terms related to your search term, as well as links to cross-referenced topics. The number of documents found for each term is displayed. Click on a term to view a list of documents related to your search term. To begin, enter the name of the publication you want to search, part of the publication name, or a word you would expect to find within the publication's name. You can also select a publication from the list of all publications. If you selected a publication from the list of all publications or entered a complete publication name, the search takes you to the About This Publication page. However, if you've entered only a word or phrase, the publication search returns a list of publications that contain your search term. From the search results page, you can further limit your results or select a publication. On the About This Publication page, you'll find information on coverage as well as publication data, including ISSN, format, frequency, language, and audience. From this page, select years and issues you want to browse or search.
Now we'd like to spend a little more time on some tools especially useful to teachers and librarians. Each resource has built-in integration with Google Drive, Google Classroom, and Microsoft OneDrive to allow easy sharing with students. To share content to your Google Classroom stream, simply click the Classroom icon in the banner and follow the instructions. You can share articles, search results, and more to your Classroom stream. To download documents to your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, click the Download button available in each article. For more details on these tools, please view our Using Google Tools and Microsoft Tools with Gale Resources tutorial. If you prefer to share content with students using other means, our Bookmark tool is a great option. Gale's Bookmark provides a persistent URL that gives instant access to content you want to share with others. Simply click the bookmark icon from the banner and copy and paste the URL provided. You can share bookmark URLs on websites, social media, LMS tools, basically anywhere you can link a URL. It's a great way to draw students into content you want them to see. Using My Folder during your session can be a great time saver. My folder is like an online shopping cart. It holds the documents you've saved in your session. Simply click the Save button for any document you want to add to your folder. When you're ready to use your folder, click the More button in the browser to locate My Folder. You can print, email, download, or cite all items in My Folder at once. Keep in mind that My Folder only saves documents during your current session. The items won't be there the next time you log in. Each document with text provides a listen or text-to-speech option. Simply click the play button and an audio reading of the article is provided. This is a great tool for students who are more auditory learners or those with vision disabilities. Click on the gear icon to change settings like enhanced text visibility, speed, and highlighting options. Thank you for viewing this tutorial on Gale's magazine and journal digital resources, which are part of the TexQuest statewide program.